Good morning, students. As I have mentioned in the first video, in the second video, we will be reading our first chapter, that is chapter number one, computer devices. In this video, as I had mentioned in the first one, we would understand that the computer follows three different steps to perform a task. And what are those steps? As I have mentioned, these steps are input, process, and output, which is this is known as the input process output cycle, that is IPO cycle. We use a keyboard or a mouse to give input to the computer. The CPU processes the input. The monitor shows the output. These parts function together to form a computing system or computer system. Beta, only with your keyboard or only with your CPU आप कंप्यूटर कंप्यूटिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं. We will require all the three devices, that is your keyboard or mouse along with your CPU and computer monitor. Hence, all these three different parts function together to form a computer system. The parts of computer system are also called devices. The parts of the system that can be seen and touched are called hardware. As I had told you, the parts which you can touch, feel are hardware. A software is a set of programs that tells computer what to do. You can see a software on computer while working on it, but you cannot touch it. As I had mentioned, like the program Tux Paint you had done, it tells the computer where to color, which drawing you have to take and all, but you can't touch the program or the software. A computer system can have three types of hardware: the input devices, a processing device, and a output device. All these parts have different function. And what are the functions of input devices? Input devices are used to enter data and give instruction to a computer. Some commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphone, and scanner. Keyboard. A keyboard has keys on it. We press these keys to input words, numbers, and characters. Pressing the keys on a keyboard to write is called typing. What is typing? When we press on different keys of keyboard to provide the input to type something is your typing. A mouse has two buttons. The next device is mouse, which has two buttons. There is a scroll wheel between the buttons. We use mouse to point at, select and move objects on the monitor. We also use the mouse to draw and color pictures like we had done in your Tux Paint program. Sir Christopher Latham Scholes and Dr. Engelbart are the inventors of keyboard and mouse respectively. Sir Christopher has invented the keyboard. Dr. Engelbart has invented mouse. Microphone. We use microphone to record sounds. We can record and store music or our voice in a computer using microphone. Touchscreen. A touchscreen is a display screen. You can use your finger to touch items on a touchscreen. It responds to your touch. As I have mentioned, in your phones, when you touch something, it responds to it. It works according to it. Touchscreens are commonly seen in computer monitors, mobile phones, and ATMs. Touchpad. A touchpad is an input device found on laptops and other some keyboards. When you move your finger on a touchpad, the mouse pointer moves on the screen. So as I mentioned, it works for the purpose of mouse. A graphic tablet is used to draw with a pen. The computer converts the drawing strokes, the lines which you have drawn, it will convert it into digital form and display them on the screen. So whatever you have drawn will be shared, will be displayed on the screen. So your drawing will be converted into digital form, the form which can be saved in computer, digital form. Joystick. A joystick is used to move the mouse pointer on the screen. It is mostly used to play games. As I had mentioned, many of you had played games also. So a joystick is used to move the pointer and mostly used in games. A pen mentioned in graphic tablets is typically called a light pen. It is pen-shaped pointing device which is used to draw directly on the screen. So the pen, like this one, here you can see a pen is being shown. This pen is a light pen. It is known as light pen, which converts the drawing which can be seen on the screen and will be converted into digital form. Mouse, light pen and joystick are also known as pointing device because they are used for pointing. So mouse hua, light pen or your joystick, they control the pointer. Okay, so these devices are also known as pointing devices. Scanner. A scanner is used to input printed text or pictures into computer, like which are printed on a paper or book. You want to save that picture, you want to convert and save it in computer. So it is done by scanner. The scanned document is displayed on the monitor. Whatever you have scanned will be shown on the monitor. Now in the bottom it is being shown two scanners. One is your flat pad, which is attached to the computers, mostly used in offices, homes. Okay, flatbed scanner. And the other is barcode scanner. Now barcode scanner is which you found in supermarkets. So flatbed scanner, a flatbed scanner like you have seen in Xerox machines, photocopy machines, it has a flat glass surface on which document or pictures to be scanned is placed, like you have seen in Xerox machines or your printers, in which top of the part is open, a glass surface is there. On that you put up the paper or the drawing which you want to scan, and you put it, a light will light will be seen scanning the content, and the content will be shown on the monitor. Second, the barcode scanner is used to reading printed barcodes. It is mostly used in shops to read the price of a product. As I had mentioned in the video, that in supermarkets it will directly show the value, or it will directly show the details of the product which you are buying. So the shopkeeper doesn't require to feed it individually. Just it will take 1 second to scan the content, and पूरा product का जो detail है, उसका price है, वो सब कुछ उसमें आ जाएगा, and at the end उसका complete sum or the bill will be generated. Then we have digital camera. A digital camera is used to capture photos or videos. These photos or videos are stored on a removable chip called memory card. This memory card you have seen, it's of a black color and like this here, and it is available in your phones also, Android phones also. So memory card is a removable storage device. It stores the content, whatever आपके phone पे जो भी है या आपके कैमरा में जो भी content है, it is being stored on the memory card, which can be connected to the computer, and the content can be transferred, can be stored in computer also. So memory card is being used for storing the content and transferring the content to other devices. Webcam, as I shown in the laptop also, a webcam, a short form of web camera. What is webcam? It is a short form web camera. Web camera